We've learned as a global economy, we are falling behind in the areas of math and science. So we as a country have to do something to get kids to love those specific areas of science and engineering, math, and technology. There's excitement in the air. Excitement you don't see when you walk in the classroom where a teacher is teaching science or where a teacher's just teaching math. I call it controlled chaos. It is amazing. There's kids all over the floor, kids working in small groups. There's materials, little pieces, little gizmos, and you hear the kids with excitement learning how to put things together, how to make something, how to design something, how to formulate plans, how to problem solve. We need kids who can collaborate. That's how you problem solve in groups, not by yourself. Project Lead the Way is teaching kids to talk to one another, communicate, and work in small groups. I really love this program because all my kids, but especially my kids that are special ed or have handicap conditions, can shine. Project Lead the Way is getting elementary kids involved in science, in math, and engineering in a way that we've never done it before. We've had an achievement gap between underrepresented groups of kids compared to their white counterparts, not doing well in science, not doing well in math, not doing well in reading. What I've seen in Project Lead the Way is that the gap has closed dramatically. Project Lead the Way helps our teachers realize they can do cross-curriculum education by blending multiple subjects into the same lesson. For many years, teachers taught subjects in isolation. But now when you learn math with science added to it, or you learn math with engineering tied to it, it gives a broader sense of learning, a deeper sense of learning, and a more awareness of the kids of what real world life activities are. And all starts in elementary, then middle school and high school. So everyone should do it if they want their kids to succeed. Sit down and watch it in action. Look at the kids working together. Look at the enthusiasm. Look at the teacher, not as a teacher, but as a facilitator. And seeing the kids not needing a lot of support from the teacher because it's a curriculum that is so self-explanatory that once you let them loose, they got it. Do it. Don't waste time deciding if you should do it or not. Do it, implement it. But first, implement it with fidelity. Make sure you train your teachers who are going to teach it. They'll see these kids excelling in science and math. They'll see these kids problem solving in ways they've never seen it before. They'll see these kids working in groups that they never would have imagined. And it's something that will pay nothing but huge benefits for every district that implements it. They'll see it's worth every penny.